In this video, we are going to look into how to repair Windows 7 operating system. In order to do this, you would definitely need a Windows 7 CD. Step 1. Insert your Windows 7 CD into your CD drive and assure that your CD-ROM drive is capable of booting the CD. Set the first boot device as CD-ROM in BIOS and boot from CD. Step 2. Select Repair Your Computer option. Step 3. You will need to choose the correct installation of Windows and then click the Next button. Step 4. Select Startup Repair option. Step 5. Click on Restart button. Check whether problem solved or not.